Have you ever heard that drinking salt water is dangerous? Well, that's true if you drink ocean water. But what if I told you that mixing the right kind of salt with water every day could supercharge your hydration, help you digest food better, boost your energy and mood, and even prevent infections? Sounds like a health hack from ancient times. That's because it is. Today, we're uncovering amazing benefits of drinking salt water, backed by science, ancient tradition, and personal wellness stories. If you're looking to feel better, think clearer, and live healthier, this one simple drink might be the easiest place to start. Hey everyone, welcome back to Essential Cures. So first things first, what kind of salt water are we talking about? This isn't sea water. This isn't table salt water. We're talking about Sol, a traditional natural remedy made by mixing mineral-rich natural salt, like Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, into clean, filtered water. The result is a drink packed with electrolytes and trace minerals your body actually needs, something your average bottle of water doesn't always provide. 1. Improves deep hydration. Water alone doesn't always hydrate your cells, especially if your body is mineral deficient. Natural salt contains key electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and chloride, which help your cells actually absorb the water. That means you don't just drink water, you use it. This leads to more energy, fewer headaches, less fatigue, better athletic performance. Tip: start your morning with salt water to rehydrate after 8+ hours without fluids. 2. Balances electrolytes naturally. Our bodies are electric. Every nerve signal, muscle movement, and heartbeat depends on electrolytes. When you sweat, drink caffeine, or are under stress, your body loses these minerals. Salt water helps restore this balance, preventing muscle cramps, brain fog, dizziness, irregular heartbeat. It's a natural electrolyte drink without the sugar and chemicals of sports drinks. 3. Supports clear, glowing skin. Minerals like zinc, sulfur, and magnesium found in natural salt reduce inflammation, help fight bacteria, and promote a healthy skin barrier. Benefits may include fewer breakouts, less puffiness, a natural glow, reduced eczema or irritation. Hydration plus minerals equals radiant skin from within. 4. Prevents infections and supports immunity. Here's the one most people don't expect. Salt has powerful antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. When taken internally in small, proper amounts, it helps create an environment less friendly to pathogens, supports white blood cell function, may reduce cold or flu frequency, can ease sore throats and oral infections, especially when used to gargle. It's a natural immune booster you're probably overlooking. 5. Strengthens bones and joints. Salt supports bone mineralization by improving the body's ability to absorb calcium and magnesium, two key ingredients for strong bones. Plus, it can help reduce joint inflammation and stiffness thanks to its alkalizing and anti-inflammatory effects. Who would have thought your bones love salt? How to make it the right way. Use 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt. Mix into a glass of warm filtered water, around 250 milliliters. Stir well and drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Start 3 times per week and work up to daily. Always listen to your body. Important, if you have kidney issues, are salt sensitive, or take medication for blood pressure, consult your doctor before starting. So now you know, the secret to better health might just be sitting in your kitchen. Drinking salt water daily is a simple, natural way to hydrate, heal, and energize your body from the inside out. Which benefit surprised you the most? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and tells me you want more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on natural wellness, healing foods, and easy habits that make a big difference in your health. Know someone who's always tired, bloated, or just not feeling their best. Share this video with them, because sometimes the simplest changes have the biggest impact. And before you go, drop a comment below. Would you ever try drinking salt water in the morning? I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, The most powerful remedies aren't always expensive or complicated. Sometimes, they are just mineral-rich water and a little salt.